Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to buy a new laptop in 2025, whether for work, study, or creativity, then you must check out Apple's latest innovation, the MacBook Air 2025 with the M4 chip. In this quick 3-minute review, I'll give you a complete breakdown from performance and design to battery life, camera quality, and price, so you can decide if this is the right laptop for you. And yes, the purchase link is in the description below, so make sure to check that out after watching.
Design and display.
Let's start with the design. The MacBook Air M4 still carries that sleek, ultra-thin body we love, but Apple has taken it to another level. It's incredibly lightweight, perfect for travel or work on the go. You get a stunning 13.6-inch liquid retina display with rich colors, crisp contrast, and up to 500 nits of brightness, which means your videos, photos, and apps will look absolutely gorgeous. And yes, it's available in this elegant midnight color, which gives it a premium and modern look.
Performance. Now let's talk about what makes this MacBook a real beast, the Apple M4 chip. It's built for Apple Intelligence and optimized for performance and battery life. With 16 gigabytes of unified memory and 256 gigabytes SSD storage, this laptop handles everything from multitasking and 4K video editing to running heavy software, smoothly and silently. Apple claims up to 18 hours of battery life, which means you can work an entire day without worrying about charging. And even with such power, the MacBook Air stays cool and quiet. No fan noise, no overheating.
Camera, security, and extras. For those who work remotely or attend online classes, the 12-megapixel center stage camera is a big upgrade. Your video calls will look sharper and more natural, even in low light. It also comes with Touch ID for quick and secure logins, a backlit keyboard, and high-quality speakers with spatial audio support, so watching movies or attending meetings sounds amazing. And, of course, macOS works flawlessly with your iPhone and iPad, making your Apple ecosystem more seamless than ever.
Price and final thoughts.
The MacBook Air M4 2025 starts around $1,099 on Amazon, though prices vary by configuration. For the performance, portability, and battery life you're getting, it's one of the best laptops of 2025, especially for professionals, students, and creators. If you're thinking about upgrading your setup, this one's a smart long-term investment.
If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. And if you're ready to grab your MacBook Air M4, use my affiliate link below. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.